What's up everybody, Ryan Bobel here. Today I'm gonna eat macaroni, cheese, and french fries. Here's my macaroni, cheese, and my fries. That's the view. I'm gonna try with some. I ordered the kids meal, guys. The kids meal. Oh, I dropped my spoon. I'm gonna try my dad's chicken. I'm gonna use this chicken. I'm gonna dip it. My hand here. Oh, it's gonna be hot. It's gonna be hot. Oh, that's hot. I'm gonna put this in the sauce. Use the right sauce, guys. Oh, guys, that was risky. I'm gonna put some Coke. I'm gonna eat some more macaroni and cheese because it tastes good and it's kids meal.
Ang parami yung
The fries. With white sauce. And chips and sauce. Ranch, it's ranch, guys. I'm gonna try Coke again. Tastes good, guys. You guys missing out. I'm gonna eat all of this macaroni cheese until the video ends. I finished the macaroni and cheese. Now time for the fries. Actually, I'm gonna get ketchup.